Alright guys, so guess what I found out? I just pulled into a client's yard. See that? That is one shredded tire. I don't know what happened. Actually, like, I was driving down the highway, I heard that noise, but I couldn't feel any. I mean, like, luckily I got like a twin axle, and I couldn't feel any difference in behavior, like operation. It wouldn't swerve and stuff, so I couldn't see anything happening. I couldn't feel anything, so I could just hear that noise, and it was like related to speed. So I initially thought like this fender is basically flapping. Maybe it is flapping, maybe it got loose and it basically shredded. Yeah, like, I don't know if the fender came loose before the tire went or the other way around, and the fender caused the tire to go out. Anyways, so I arrived safe at the client's property. I guess I'm lucky to have a spare here, so I will put that on. And I guess a lesson learned is to regularly check your tires. Like, all the other tires are okay. I don't know why this went out. I'm assuming this fender must have somewhat caused it to slice open. Maybe this guy here. I don't know why this bent. I haven't hit anything. I can't recall it. Anyways, guys, always check your tires before you go anywhere, because your tires can mean your life. Alright, that's my 2 cents on that story today. Okay guys, so there we have it, the aftermath of the blown tire. I do believe, so spare tires on. It's a full style tire, so that's not an emergency tire. Thank goodness I had that. The front tire may have an issue too, because it may have been, well, it did rub on the loose fender. So I hope the damage is not severe, so I can make it to the shop. Of course, this will be replaced too. No chances taken on that guy. So this for sure, as you can see. This was all wrapped around the axle actually, so I had to basically pry it out with some considerable force. Anyways, so as you can see, well, I suspect the fender, like all those, like this fender here on this side, got loose obviously, or was shaking or vibrating and getting loose. So this fender here, so this is as it came from the factory or the dealer. It's kind of like, you can see that it's not super tight. I don't know if that's an issue, if that vibration will loosen those nuts and the bolts. Like, there's two, one in front, one in the back. So I don't know if that's the vibration is the issue of that, because this got right sheared off. So I don't know if that's the issue there, if that vibration was too big to handle over time, obviously. Obviously, as you can see, the wires are toast. Here, they have to be rewired, front and back probably there. So yeah, so I could stick the fender back on because that's the law, right? Gotta have your tires covered. So I claim this is an emergency. I don't want to put the fender back on because I'm not sure if I will stick it on. Obviously, the holes are stripped. I can show you here. So here you can see, like, that is right, that won't hold anything. Same with the front, it's kind of like way too big now. It was shaking violently, not violent enough to make me aware of that whole situation, all right? Because the trailer didn't swerve or anything like that, didn't bump or jump around. So yeah, so it was just kind of like anything above 100 would create some noise, but I was thinking that was just the fenders, right? because the whole setup is kind of like vibrating as we travel down the road, and even the equipment is kind of like a little bit of shaking and vibrating, and the metal rattling and stuff, and the gate obviously. So I didn't really think much to it, because it didn't really behave differently, right? But now there you have it, guys. Always be cautious about what's going on. If something like this, like some weird noise is popping up that hasn't been there before, or like a little bit more noisy, stop it. Although you may be like, you got to pull over to a safe spot, obviously. Can't be handling that in like highway traffic. So anyway, so hopefully I will make it to the shop, and some dollars down the road this will be all fixed. All right, thanks guys, have a safe one. Talk to you later. Bye.